In our previous video, we talked about different cryptocurrency exchanges and mobile payment services such as PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and others, and how you could make money with their referral programs. You can find the full and updated list of those referral programs in the video description below. In this video, we're adding another popular and trusted cryptocurrency exchange, Voyager, that pays $25 per referral and allows you to invite up to 100 people, making it one of the highest paying referral programs in the crypto space. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about cryptocurrency investing and trading, as well as other business opportunities in the crypto space. And if you're interested in cryptocurrency day or swing trading, enter your email below to be invited to our exclusive members only Telegram group, where I post my personal trades as well as the updates for our international crypto trust that I created specifically for people who want to build their wealth through hands-free and stress-free cryptocurrency investing. So now, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. For those of you who are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Paul, Extra Hyperactive, and I'm the creator of Extra Hyperactive Network, the only network that helps people live a happy, healthy, and wealthy lifestyle. By no means I'm some kind of a financial guru or even a crypto expert. I'm first of all an entrepreneur, an online marketer, and now a cryptocurrency investor and trader. Most important, unlike other online gurus and marketers out there, I only share my personal knowledge, experience, and expertise. That's why I'm going to say right away that personally I opened my account with Voyager just a few days ago, and just yesterday I did my first $100 trade. And in a few minutes I'll explain why it's so important. But first, let's go ahead and see how exactly Voyager referral program works. There are a few reasons why a Voyager referral program caught my attention. First of all, because it's pretty straightforward. You download Voyager app on your phone, open an account with them, grab a referral link, share it with other people, and once your friends open an account, and this is very important, do at least one $100 trade, both parties will get paid. All rewards will be deposited into your Voyager account within 72 hours of your friend completing the milestone. Now, here where it gets tricky. First of all, it's not clear if you have to make at least $100 trade before you start referring other people to Voyager. But as I've just said, just in case, I did my first $100 trade as soon as I opened my account with Voyager. But since I couldn't find anybody's Voyager referral link, I'm not gonna get that $25 referral bonus. But if you decide to join Voyager through my referral link that I provided in the video description below, you're guaranteed to get your $25 bonus as long as you follow all these steps. And keep in mind that your first trade doesn't have to be a winning one. Even if you lose $1 or $2 on your first trade, you're still gonna get your $25 bonus. If you do decide to join Voyager through my referral link, contact me personally and I'll make sure that your first trade is a winning one and both of us will get our bonuses. As for the bonus itself, here's another catch. When your friend downloads Voyager, creates an account, deposits and trades $100, you will earn 25 VGX, which is Voyager native token, and they will earn 25 BTC, which is Bitcoin. It's not a big deal since you can always sell your Voyager coins and transfer the money back into your bank account, buy Bitcoin instead, or any other coins available on Voyager. And once you make your first $25 bonus, you can continue sharing your Voyager referral link with others, invite up to 100 people, and make additional $2,500. So if that sounds like a great way for you to make some extra money, here's a quick and simple action plan for you. Before you join Voyager, contact me first to make sure my referral link that I provided below is still valid and still works. You can do it by leaving a comment below this video or get in touch with me in our Facebook group. Make sure you have at least $100 available for your first trade. As I've just said, I'd be more than happy to make your first trade a winning one. Then wait for the email notification from Voyager to make sure you received your $25 bonus. Once you get your bonus, you'll know that the Voyager referral program works and you can invite others to make additional $2,500. In conclusion, I want to say that crypto referral and affiliate programs are a great way to make extra money that you can invest into cryptocurrency long term or use it for swing and day trading. If you want to learn more about different ways to make money in the crypto space, or if you're interested in cryptocurrency investing and trading, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or enter your email below to be invited to our exclusive members-only Telegram group, where I share my personal trades and help our members grow their crypto wealth through our international crypto trust. And finally, if you really want to live a happy, healthy, and wealthy lifestyle by building consistent passive income, I recommend joining our network. Not only will you learn the fundamentals of business marketing and branding, but your joining fee will be used as your initial investment into our crypto trust. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.